3 reasons brands should own their Web3 domain. Domains such as .com, .net, and .org are used on our present-day web, known also as Web 2.0. The World Wide Web has changed, however, and the newest version of the web is called Web 3.0. Just like it's important for a company to own their Web 2 domain such as Walmart.com, it's even more crucial for a brand to own their Web 3 domain with endings such as .nft, .crypto, .blockchain, .wallet and other premium ones such as .bitcoin, .eth and crypto.coms. .cro. Why do you ask? Here are 3 reasons brands should own their Web 3 domain. Number 1. Crypto payments. On the top Web 3 domain registrars, corporations such as Walmart, McDonald's, Amazon, Apple, and more are unavailable for purchase and even protected by the platforms. How come? If a person owned Amazon.crypto or McDonald's.nft or Walmart.blockchain, they could send and receive cryptocurrencies on behalf of the corporations. A Web 3 domain allows the owner to easily connect crypto wallets to the domain name. Because of this groundbreaking feature, crypto wallet users can simply choose a cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and hundreds of others, enter an amount, type in the Web 3 domain name. Hit the send button, and the owner of the Web 3 domain will receive the cryptocurrency within seconds. Thereby, corporations owning their trademarked Web 3 domain not only protects them from scammers, it also supplies them with a new method of payment. Number 2. Decentralized website. A Web 3 domain also acts as a website on the decentralized web. Centralized web versus decentralized web. The centralized web, also known as Web 2, is the World Wide Web we use today. Most of the internet's traffic flows through centralized, or consolidated, networks that are owned and controlled by several policymakers, such as ICANN, Google, Meta Platforms, Twitter, etc. Centralized networks are built around large, single servers that are responsible for running the platform's processes and storing all the user's data. On the other hand, the decentralized web, also known as Web 3, is not controlled by powerhouses, it's ungoverned, unregulated, and run by the general public. Decentralized networks aren't built around single servers, instead, the network has a peer-to-peer structure, which are millions of personal computers around the world connected as equal partners that share processing, control and access to data. Thereby, Web 3 is solely controlled by the users. Unlike Web 2 centralized websites that can be censored or shut down by an authority, Web 3 decentralized websites are unalterable and can't be censored or taken down because there is no middleman to oversee them. Therefore, the owner of a corporation's branded Web 3 domain has true freedom of speech and can post whatever they'd like on the website without consequence, which opens the door for potential deception and defamation. Also, a Web 3 domain can be set up to redirect to a traditional domain. For instance, the owner of crumblcookies.blockchain can redirect the Web 3 domain to crumelcookies.com. In addition, a Web 3 domain is able to produce subdomains. An example is the owner of Web 3 domain PopeyesFoundation.nft can create Web 3 subdomains such as donate.popeyesfoundation.nft and support.popeyesfoundation.nft. Likewise, the owner of bronxzoo.blockchain can make subdomains like tickets.bronxzoo.blockchain and memberships.bronxzoo.blockchain. As for website loading, Opera and Brave are browsers that support Web 3 domains. However, soon, all browsers, like Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, etc., will support Web 3 domains. Number 3. Data ownership. Whomever is in possession of a Web 3 domain also has exclusive ownership and control of its data. Web 2 platforms store the data of users on their servers, and in turn, control the data and make money off of it. And, because the platforms store the data on one big server, numerous businesses have experienced hackers, data breaches, and disclosures of their users' personal information over the last 20 years. Web 3 domains, however, live on the blockchain and give users complete ownership and control of their stored data. With this comes personalized advertising, logging into decentralized apps, sending and receiving Web 3 emails, rewards collection, digital property usership, connectivity to off-chain data, like social networks, digital ID security, crypto transaction navigation, and much more. The possession and management of data is exceedingly powerful, which makes Web 3 domain ownership pivotal for major brands. And, there you have it, 3 reasons brands should own their Web 3 domain.